Hello guys, and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Today we're gonna talk about Canva Pro versus free version. In the end, I'm gonna show you how you can do it free and legal way, how you can get 30 days of free trial. You can cancel at any time. So, is it still worth to buying Canva in 2025? I think yes, because we introduced new AI models. We introduced this video, for example. You can generate the video free, and you can just add text and so on. So let's say, for example, for free version, let's talk about the free version. Okay, so even if you open this, it doesn't show crown, so it's free version. So you open this one, you can edit it, you can change the names, you can edit text, so you can change this one, all good, all sounds fun. But in the end, if you press share, you press download, and it says how much money you have to pay. So all of this product is for free. And if you want to up the size, it's going to be pro version and limit file size. Like you don't want to be like over big file, or you can compress it, or you make a lower quality for your web page so it's have more scrolling speed, or you want to use transparent background, you have to have pro version, which is not so expensive, as you can see. And so let's talk about Canva Pro a little bit. So in the end, let's go back to templates. Let's close this one. Let's go to apps. So in the app section, you have AI generation, audio and voiceovers. So if you press here, it can generate you music, melody, and a lot of more stuff. It can do also text to voice. So if you are creating bulk for YouTube shorts, for Instagram posts, and you have just text, you can always insert text, and it's gonna generate you audio. I have video about that. If you wanna learn more, I can leave it in the comments. Like I said, your voice AI and so on. High tracer, private, and Google Analytics. You can bring your web and app performance data to Canva. So basically, what can you use an existing design, or you can start new designs. For example, let's say new design. Let's do video landscape, just for this example. So you can connect your website. Here and start with data. HubSpot, World Bank. So let's say connecting the Visualize World Bank data bank. Open. Explore a country. Let's say USA or Australia. And you can load the data. And straight away, year by year, it collects the data and put in something like Excel till 2021, which data is available. So as you can see, Pro version has a lot of perks, a lot of apps. If you open app chart, you have emojis, AI music, I told you, voiceovers, mockups, AI frames, image animated, sonic sound draw, text audio, again, a lot of apps which are introduced into Canva. So in the end, I think it's worth it to have Canva Pro. It costs really cheap. Like for example, if we go here, we go to price and planning, press compare pricing. As you can see, free version is free version. Canva Pro for a year costs 110. So basically around 12 euros per month. 11.99, I think, something like that. So basically 12 euros per month. Or you can have Canva Teams. For each person, it's 90 for a year. You can choose monthly. So as I told you, it's 12 euros. You can select custom like for 5 people. Just say, for example, and yearly is going to cost 450 for you. So you're going to save a little bit money. In the end, you can try your free version. So try for free for Teams, and you can try for 1 month Pro version, which includes stock photos, graphic, fonts, videos, audios, more than 141 million templates, 5 million, create design with custom dimensions and compare features, for example. So bulk design creation. A lot of people doing it right now. You cannot do it in the free version, but you can do it definitely in the pro version. Export print ready designs. Also, you cannot do in the free version, but you can do in the pro version. So in the end, as you can see, a lot of AI tools. As you can see, you have mockups, magic mosh, magic grab, magic expand, magic eraser, magic edit. I have videos covering that if you want to learn more how to use it. But in the end, I offer you to buy Canva Pro. And if you're into design or you want to design something for more than one time, it's really worth it. Also, you can use free version and just pay Indian like 4 or 3 euros for downloading that image. So I hope I informed you well about the Canva Pro and Canva Free. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and see you next time.